New at 11, their jobs include saving lives, but that heroic work threatens to shorten their own. A new report portrays the dangers firefighters face long after they leave the front lines. News Channel 5's Jeff Skryzpek live in suburban West Palm Beach with our story. Jeff?
Well, Michael, fighting fires already seems dangerous enough, but according to a new study, the risk of cancer among firefighters is hidden all over the place. In the clothes firefighters wear, in the bays they park their trucks in, even in the buildings well after they put the fire out.
7 and 10, Tim Dwayne.
Firefighter Ken Tambo, for nearly 2 decades, was killing himself without even realizing it.
How? Why? How could this have happened? I live a healthy life.
Years of running into burning buildings, saving lives and pulling people to safety, all coming down to the biggest fight of his life: prostate cancer.
You were going into a fire. You weren't thinking about it. You certainly weren't thinking about getting sick after the fire.
What Tambo and thousands of other firefighters never realized: the smoke, the charred items inside buildings, and even their dirty clothes increases their risk for all types of cancer. The CDC recognizing a new study showing firefighters are 2 times more likely to contract certain types of cancers compared to the general population.
One of the things that we actually are up against is tradition and the thought process that we're tough. We can
Palm Beach County Fire Rescue District Chief Samuel Eaton says that tough guy mentality is shifting through new protocols. Some of the small changes that's making their job safer: keeping their masks on well after the fire is out, cleaning their clothes more often that can hide harmful carcinogens, and something as basic as opening the garage door while trucks are running to let the exhaust air out. Through his battle, Tambo is trying to use his brush with prostate cancer to teach others, making them aware of all those things he did for so long that put his life at risk, hoping maybe it'll save theirs.
There are inherent risks in this profession, and we all accept that, but there are things that we can do better, we can be smarter about.
Now, as you can imagine, many families of firefighters aren't aware of this increased risk among cancer among firefighters. So to deal with that, Palm Beach County Fire Rescue is going to be tackling that summer, holding several awareness events. The most recent one will be this Saturday at the Wellington World of Beer from 3 p.m. to midnight. Reporting live tonight here in suburban West Palm Beach, I'm Jeff Skryzpek, WPTV News Channel 5.